let us not get into the intricate details of the investigation at this point of time. We shall duly inform you at the appropriate time.
सर, हे पब आणि बार जे आहेत ज्या ठिकाणी आरोपी गेले होते किंवा मृत्यू व्यक्ती गेले होते ते उशिरापर्यंत चालू होते असं निदर्शनास आलेलं आहे. तिथले स्थानिक पोलीस आणि सामाजिक सुरक्षा की जिथं असं आढळून आलेलंच आहे की उशिरापर्यंत चालू होते, त्यांच्यावर काय कारवाई करणार?
बघा, जे लार्जर इश्यू आहे, एक लार्जर इश्यू नाही म्हणणार आम्ही, डिफरंट एक इश्यू आहे ओव्हर अबाउट द न्यूसेन्स ऑफ पब्स कल्याणी नगरमध्ये इन पर्टिक्युलर अँड पुणे शहरात इन जनरल. त्या विषयावर 2-3 गोष्टी आहे. एक आहे पब्सचे टायमिंग विषयी, एक आहे डिसऑर्डरली कंडक्ट आउटसाइड पब्स ज्यावेळी पब्स छूटतात, आणि नंबर 3 आहे अंडर एज ड्रिंकिंगचे विषय. पब्स जे उशिरापर्यंत चालतात, मी चार्ज घेतल्यापासूनच आमची भूमिका आहे की ती 1:30 वाजता जे अधिकृत टाईम आहे त्यावर बंद व्हायला पाहिजे. मी रेसिडेंट्स असोसिएशन आणि सर्व स्टेक होल्डर्सशी संपर्कात पण आहो. आपण कोणालाही विचारले तर या गोष्टीवर किंवा हुक्काचे सर्व्हिसचे जे प्रमाण होता त्या सर्व प्रकरणांवर 80 to 90% मध्ये शहरात सुधार आहे. या प्रकरणात पण काही उशिरापर्यंत स्टॅब्लिशमेंट चालत होता अशा प्रकारचे प्रथमदर्शनी सीसीटीव्ही फुटेजवरून दिसत नाही. परंतु अंडर एज ड्रिंकिंग आणि डिसऑर्डरली कंडक्ट किंवा ट्रॅफिक कंजेशन आउटसाइड बार्स आणि इस्टॅब्लिशमेंट्स, त्यामध्ये जे पार्किंग स्पेस बिल्डिंग प्लॅनमध्ये आहे त्यांचे चेंज ऑफ यूजचे विषय आहे. यामध्ये महानगरपालिका, कलेक्टर ऑफिस, एक्साइज डिपार्टमेंट याचे सोबत मिळून आम्ही अत्यंत कडक भूमिका पुढच्या काळात घेणार आहे. याची पूर्ण रूपरेखा आपल्याला 2 ते 3 दिवसात आमची पोलिसांची काय भूमिका राहणार आहे त्याबद्दल करू आणि ते कायमस्वरूपी ते चित्र बदलेल याच्यासाठी आम्ही विचाराधीन आहे.
सर, वडिलांना कुठून अटक केली? वडिलांना कुठून आणि कधी अटक केली ताब्यात घेतली? आणि चौथा आरोपी जो आहे, म्हणजे टोटल किती आरोपी आतापर्यंत अटक झाले?
टोटल FIR में 5 आरोपी थे. उसमें से 3 आरोपियों को कल हमने लेट नाइट अरेस्ट किया. उनको आज हम कोर्ट में प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. जो उसके फादर है और जो एक और आरोपी था उसको आज ताबे में, फादर को औरंगाबाद, वो फरार था परसों से, उसको आज अर्ली मॉर्निंग आवर्स में औरंगाबाद से एक होटल से उसको ताबे में लिया गया है और उसको ट्रांजिट पे यहाँ लाया जा रहा है. ट्रांजिट पीरियड जो जब तक वो पहुँचेगा उसके बाद जो भी मेडिकल और बाकी फॉर्मेलिटीज है करके उसको कल कोर्ट में ये दोनों आरोपियों को प्रोड्यूस किया जाएगा.
मतलब उधर औरंगाबाद में पहले प्रोड्यूस कर?
नहीं, औरंगाबाद में प्रोड्यूस नहीं, उनको ताबे में लेके आ रहे हैं. डिस्टेंस थोड़ा ज्यादा है, ट्रैफिक कंजेशन रहता है, आते आते शाम शायद हो जाए. आने के बाद उनको हम कल प्रोड्यूस करेंगे.
सर, औरंगाबाद से कौन अरेस्ट हुआ? फादर एंड
फादर, ओनली द फादर. द अदर पर्सन हैज बीन डिटेन्ड इन न्यू बॉम्बे एरिया. हिज अरेस्ट फॉर्मॅलिटीज विल ऑल्सो बी डन टुडे इवनिंग.
सर, ब्लॅक पब जो आहे त्याच्यात आपण नेमकं कोणाला, मालकाला अटक केली की मॅनेजरला?
मला प्रत्यक्ष नाव आता नाही आहे. FIR ऑलरेडी काल आम्ही सर्क्युलेट केले होते. FIR मध्ये जे 5 लोक नमूद आहे ते 5ही लोकांना आता सध्या अटक करण्यात आलेली आहे. 3 काल, 2 आज. यामध्ये तपास क्राईम ब्रांच करत आहे. आणखी जे आरोपी निष्पन्न होतील ते सर्व.
All right, the Pune Police Commissioner actually detailing and highlighting exactly when it comes to the arrests that have been made. More importantly, Abhishek, the father who has been arrested of the minor, he is now being brought from Aurangabad and thereafter he will be produced later in court. During the time when this extensive probe that is being conducted, this is coming across as a huge success to our Times Now campaign, Abhishek.
Yes, definitely, and you will have to understand it is not only the crime which has been done, loss of 2 lives, but we have to understand how the sequence of events have happened. He was made to sit in a bar. It is responsibility of the bar owners that they should have asked his birth certificate or at least how much year old he is before serving him the alcohol. At that given point of time, that could have saved the 2 lives if they would have followed the rules. Then secondly, his own father. And in fact, it is coming to highlight that the RTO, the entire car was not registered only. Imagine this thing, a car running on the road, an expensive car, and that too which is driven by someone who is minor and who is under the influence of alcohol, costing 2 lives. Every loophole at every sequence has been trapped by the police, and all the persons who are responsible for these loopholes are being arrested now, and they will be produced in the court. That's what the commissioner was pointing out. Total 5 accused, including his father and the manager and the people who served in the alcohol at that given point of time. They all have been arrested, and as the father is brought in Pune, all of them will be produced before the court, and subsequent action will be taken. Definitely, they will be demanding the custody of all those accused. So, one after the other, loopholes were there, and that has cost 2 important lives. And on the other side, we also see a father who has given a expensive car to his son, who has it costed 2 lives, and that was also not registered, which is coming out right now. So there were many loopholes and a big success to Pune police. And in fact, 2 individual FIRs were registered, as Pune CP was pointing out clearly. An action has been initiated in both of them, and the next FIR which
Abhishek, more to that, as far as when it comes to the bail that was given within hours of this fatal accident that was reported that costed the lives of at least 2 people. Abhishek, we're going to talk more on that as well, because this is coming across as a huge Times Now impact, the campaign that we have been leading as to how easily the juvenile was let off. But it costed, as far as the crash that killed 2 individuals. Vishal Agarwal, who is the father of the minor who has been accused in the case, he has now been arrested. The owner and the manager of the hotel, that pub that allegedly served alcohol to minors, that he too has been arrested by the Pune police. The police also wants to challenge the court order against trying the accused as an adult and not a juvenile. And in the case of fatal accident that took place in Pune, when an overspeeding luxury Porsche driven by a drunk 17-year-old collided with a motorcycle, the Pune police registered a case against his father, who is said to be a real estate developer, and 4 others as well. That was the press briefing on part of the Pune police commissioner. What Times Now has access now, saying that the father, who actually gave his minor son permission to drive the supercar, despite knowing that his son doesn't have a license, the FIR that has now been registered under the Motor Vehicles Act, another FIR that has been registered against the owner and the manager of the hotel, where alcohol was allegedly served without confirming the age of the accused. Those are the developments that are now taking place. In the meantime, as far as the probe that has been intensified, there are other angles as well that are now being investigated. Abhishek was also telling us about exactly when it comes to the car, its registration. The accused in the case, the minor in the case, of course, not having a license. There were other 2 occupants as well in the car. There are total what the police has been saying, 5 of them. The arrests that have now been the details that are now coming as far as when it comes to the second FIR. This has been the turning point in all of the investigation regarding the death, the unfortunate incident that was reported on the roads in Pune. Let's listen in to more reactions coming in.
Mr. Bor, one question to you. The registration of car was not done of the Porsche, right? From Pune?
Yes.
Can you please elaborate?
रजिस्ट्रेशन जो कार का वो प्रोसेस कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, सिर्फ इंस्पेक्शन हुआ था और पेमेंट ऑफ फीस उसका अभी तक हुआ नहीं, इसलिए उसको रजिस्ट्रेशन मार्क अलॉट किया गया।
तो जो कार चलाई जा रही थी पुणे में, पोर्शे कार, वो इलीगली चलाई जा रही थी क्योंकि उसके फीस नहीं भरे थे रजिस्ट्रेशन का, और रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं हुआ था।
Any vehicle which fly on the road, it should be either temporary or permanently registered. तो temporary registration अगर हुआ है, लेकिन वो for the purpose of registration वो temporary registration है, तो गाड़ी सिर्फ registration purpose के लिए temporary registration की ये है, लेकिन गाड़ी का रजिस्ट्रेशन होना जरूरी है अगर आपको गाड़ी रास्ते पे चलानी है।
और क्या एक्शन लिया जाएगा ओनर के खिलाफ, क्योंकि इलीगली गाड़ी चलाई जा रही थी?
वो ऑलरेडी पुणे पुलिस ने जो एफआईआर दर्ज किया है उसमें ऑलरेडी वो मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट के जो सेक्शंस है कि ड्राइविंग व्हीकल विदाउट रजिस्ट्रेशन वगैरह जो है वो मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट के सेक्शन उसमें लगा होंगे, या हम लोग भी उनको वी विल टेक एक्शन अगेंस्ट द ओनर फॉर द इलीगली फ्लाइंग व्हीकल ऑन रोड विदाउट रजिस्ट्रेशन।
Well, there are political reactions too that are coming on this accident that has been reported in Pune. Sanjay Raut now seems to be suggesting that action needs to be initiated against the Pune police itself in an attempt to actually back or to provide cover to the accused as far as in the father case is concerned. Those are the allegations that are now being raised by Sanjay Raut.
पुलिस कमिश्नर को सस्पेंड करिए। उसने आरोपी को बचाने की कोशिश की है। एक कपल, युवा कपल 25 साल का, जिस बेरहमी से कुचल दिया, और जो लड़का है शराबी, उसको 2 घंटे में बेल मिलता है। हाँ, उसका रिपोर्ट मेडिकल नेगेटिव आता है। जो शराब पिया है वो वीडियो सामने है। कौन मदद कर रहा है? पुलिस कमिश्नर कौन है? ये पुलिस कमिश्नर सस्पेंड करो, नहीं तो पुणे की जनता को सड़क पर उतरना होगा।
Sanjay Raut of the Uddhav Thackeray faction of the Shiv Sena, he is now, in fact, insinuating that when it comes to the police commissioner of Pune, he should be the one that action should be initiated against, because there was an attempt, according to Sanjay Raut, to protect the accused. We have Shrishti with us right now. Shrishti, there are more angles that are now coming across as far as this entire case is concerned. The registration of the car, pub owner who served allegedly alcohol to minors, the other occupants in the car, the father of the accused, the juvenile being arrested. He is now being brought back and he will be produced before the court. All of these angles are now coming out.
Well, of course, first we'll talk about the father who has given the permission to his minor son to drive this particular car, and also he didn't have license. That was also the fact which father was well known about, and that are the lines which police are investigating on, and that's why he has been arrested from Sambhaji Nagar. He will be brought into Pune and he will be produced in front of court, and then the investigation will be going ahead. Now, talking about the bar owners, the servers and the managers of 2 particular bars wherein the accused and his friends were, partying and consuming the alcohol. Why did they serve the alcohol when they did not check the particular age of this accused? Why the alcohol was served without checking the particular age? That is the big question. However, now what comes across is that the Pune Police Commissioner has taken the press conference and he has said that we have arrested several accused in this particular matter and we will be investigating the entire case. But yes, definitely different angles are coming up, wherein now Sanjay Raut, who is a leader from Uddhav Thackeray's party, he is saying that Ajit Pawar's faction MLA is supporting this builder's son and the particular builder who is involved in this particular case. Also, he has mentioned that the police commissioner is not acting properly and he should be suspended on an immediate effect. And these are the allegations leveled up by Sanjay Raut. But yes, definitely, as we all know, this particular builder whose son is involved in this case, he is a biggie in Pune, and now allegations are coming up is that Ajit Pawar faction MLA is supporting this particular builder in this case.
Right, but Shrishti, it was the sheer outrage. We've been for the last 2 days talking to the people who are watching the broadcast live, and all of them majorly had to say that it should be the responsibility of the parents. The parents should have been set accountable, and especially when it comes to the police, they should be the ones to challenge as to how within hours this juvenile who is behind this tragic incident, this accident that cost the lives of 2 people, was let away so easily, and such on leniency, especially when it comes to the ground on the bail conditions. This is the impact that we are talking about, Shrishti, today.
Well, of course, the bail conditions were absolutely uncalled for and not at all, understandable for the public as well as the people who are witnessing this case, and major effect to those people who have lost their loved ones in this particular case, wherein the bail condition was writing an essay about the accidents, assisting the traffic police. Is this even a bail condition, is what the public is asking, because 2 people have lost their life. Why this particular person, the accused, was driving a Porsche car late at night while he was drunk? That too without license is the big question. Why the father didn't take the cognizance? Why all these things are coming up is the big question. However, now what comes across is that the people are arrested, but those people who have lost their life, those families who have lost their loved ones, they won't be coming back even though justice is served. But yes, this minor, now police was also trying in this particular matter that he should be treated as adult, and they asked the court to give the particular permission, but that was denied. But we have to see how this pans out and how the justice will be served to the people who have lost their life, and they were just 24, 25 years old.
All right.
They were very young.